Hi, David. I love eating out, but I always feel nervous when ordering food in English. I don't know what to say or how to say it properly.
That's a common problem, Emma. Ordering food in a restaurant involves different phrases and polite expressions. But don't worry, I'll teach you everything you need to know.
That would be great. Where do we start?
We'll go step by step. First, let's talk about making a reservation. If you want to eat at a busy restaurant, it's a good idea to make a reservation. Here are some useful phrases. I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people. Do you have any tables available for tonight at 7 p.m.? Can I book a table near the window?
And what if I need to cancel or change my reservation?
You can say, I need to cancel my reservation for tonight. Can I change my reservation to a later time?
Got it.
Now let's go inside the restaurant.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I made a reservation for 2 under the name Emma.
Let me check. Yes, right this way. Here's your table. Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please. Thank you.
There are so many choices. How do I ask about different dishes?
If you need more information, you can ask. What do you recommend? What are today's specials? What's the most popular dish here? Does this dish come with a side?
What if I have dietary restrictions?
You should tell the waiter about your needs. For example, I'm allergic to nuts. Does this dish contain nuts? I'm vegetarian. Do you have any vegetarian options? I don't eat spicy food. Is this dish spicy?
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like the grilled chicken with a side of vegetables.
Sure. And for you, sir?
I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water.
I'd like an iced tea, please.
Great choice. I'll bring your order shortly.
What if I want something extra, like sauce or a different side?
You can say, can I have some extra ketchup, please? Could I get a side of fries instead of rice? May I have some more bread?
What if I need something else during my meal?
You can call the waiter politely and say, excuse me, could I get some more water? Could you bring some napkins, please?
What if something is wrong with my food?
If your food is not right, you can politely tell the waiter, excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered. I'm sorry, but my food is cold. Could you heat it up? This steak is undercooked. Could you cook it a little more?
That's useful. I always feel shy about saying something, but now I know how to be polite.
Exactly. Just be polite and most restaurants will be happy to help.
How do I ask for the bill?
You can say, could we have the bill, please? Can I get the check, please?
Here's your bill. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Great. Here's your receipt.
In some countries, it's common to leave a tip. You can say, I'd like to leave a tip. Keep the change. Now you know how to order food in a restaurant with confidence.
Yes. I feel much more prepared. Next time, I'll know exactly what to say.
That's great. Just remember to be polite and you'll have a great dining experience.
Thanks, David. Let's go out to eat more often.
Sounds like a plan. See you next time.